The grandeur of Kumbh Mela, a celebration of faith and unity. Introduction: the Kumbh Mela is not just a festival. It is a profound spiritual and cultural phenomenon that encapsulates the essence of India's diverse religious traditions. Recognized as the largest human gathering on earth, this ancient Hindu pilgrimage is a testament to the enduring power of faith and devotion. The Kumbh Mela is celebrated at 4 different locations in India: Allahabad, Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik and Ujjain, rotating based on celestial alignments. This script delves into the history, significance, rituals, and the socio-cultural impact of the Kumbh Mela, offering an in-depth exploration of this awe-inspiring event. Historical origins. The roots of the Kumbh Mela trace back thousands of years, steeped in mythology and ancient scriptures. The festival's origins are linked to the legend of the Samudra Manthan, or the churning of the ocean of milk, as described in Hindu texts like the Puranas. According to the myth, gods, devas, and demons, asuras, jointly churned the ocean to extract the nectar of immortality, or Amrit. During this process, a few drops of nectar fell at 4 locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain, blessing them as sacred sites. The written documentation of the Kumbh Mela dates back to the 7th century CE, when the Chinese traveler Xuanzang mentioned a grand congregation at Prayagraj. Over centuries, this event has evolved into a massive pilgrimage, attracting millions of devotees, saints, and ascetics. The sacred sites. Prayagraj, Allahabad. Situated at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers, Prayagraj is considered the holiest of the Kumbh Mela locations. The Triveni Sangam is believed to cleanse devotees of their sins and grant liberation. Haridwar, nestled on the banks of the Ganga in Uttarakhand, Haridwar is another significant site. It is said that a drop of Amrit fell here, making it a sacred destination for spiritual seekers. Nashik, located along the Godavari River in Maharashtra, Nashik's Kumbh Mela is deeply intertwined with the Ramayana. It is believed that Lord Rama and Sita spent part of their exile in this region. Ujjain, situated on the banks of the Shipra River in Madhya Pradesh, is home to the Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga. This site's spiritual significance is heightened during the Kumbh Mela celestial timings. The timing of the Kumbh Mela is determined by astrological calculations. It occurs when specific planetary alignments take place. Prayagraj, when Jupiter is in Aries or Taurus and the Sun and Moon are in Capricorn. Haridwar, when Jupiter is in Aquarius and the Sun enters Aries. Nashik, when Jupiter and the Sun are in Leo. Ujjain, when Jupiter is in Leo and the Sun is in Aries. These alignments are believed to create a spiritual energy, conducive to attaining moksha or liberation. Rituals and practices. The Kumbh Mela is marked by numerous rituals, with the Shahi Snan, royal bath, being the most significant. On auspicious days, millions of pilgrims immerse themselves in the sacred rivers, believing that the act cleanses them of sins and purifies their souls. Other rituals include Homa and Yajna, fire offerings performed by priests to invoke divine blessings. Darshan, visiting holy saints and ashrams for spiritual guidance. Satsang and Bhajan, spiritual discourses and devotional singing to uplift the soul. The event also witnesses the participation of various akhadas, monastic orders, such as the Naga Sadhus, who march in grand processions before taking their royal dip. Cultural significance. The Kumbh Mela is not just a religious event, it is a cultural extravaganza that showcases India's rich heritage. The fairgrounds are adorned with vibrant stalls, spiritual discourses, and artistic performances. It is a melting pot of languages, cuisines, and traditions, symbolizing the unity and diversity that defines India. Literature and philosophy. The Mela serves as a platform for scholars, poets, and spiritual leaders to exchange ideas and disseminate knowledge to aid. Art and music, folk performances, devotional music, and traditional art forms add a festive charm to the event. Traditional healing practices. Ayurveda, yoga, and other ancient healing practices are promoted, attracting health enthusiasts from around the world. Modern-day relevance. In the modern era, the Kumbh Mela has grown exponentially, becoming a global phenomenon. In 2017, UNESCO recognized it as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity, highlighting its universal appeal. The event has also embraced technology, with live broadcasts, mobile apps, and digital guides, ensuring smooth organization and participation challenges and solutions. Managing an event of such magnitude comes with challenges, including crowd control, sanitation, and environmental concerns. Over the years, authorities have implemented measures